Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Hi, this is your tech assistant. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, I will give you an application with the help of which you can easily convert any text to an audio file, and you can use natural voices, not your TTS voices. There are few voices available which is natural voices, so you can convert any text to an audiobook. So if you want to know more, please watch this video till the end, and if you don't want, then please like the video and you can skip. Also, please share the video with your friends and family, and also share with your blind communities. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and join our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is in our description below. Also, you can search on Telegram Accessible Computing YouTube channel, you can find it. So let's start today's episode. So friends, for this you need to install one application called Meta Voice Pro. I have shared the application in our official Telegram channel. To download the application, you have to join our Telegram channel. So let me open the application.
Egg on Coda Daisy. Kindmaster. Text Talk. Meta Voicer.
Yeah, Meta Voicer. It's Meta Voicer Pro or Meta Voice Pro. So I'm opening this.
Meta Voicer. Meta Voicer. Insert text here.
So when you first time open this application, you have to give some permission. Just click on allow button to give all the permission. I have already given the permissions. Now I am swiping from left to right to show you what are the options here.
Insert text here. Edit box.
So here you need to insert your text. I am not inserting right now. I will insert a little bit later.
0/6000.
So 0/6000, which means you can enter up to 6,000 words. You can convert up to 6,000 words in one file. Not only this friends, you can also add some BGM, I mean background music also. So your book will be more ear friendly or more enjoyable, right? So I'm swiping from left to right.
Jenny, 1 of 4.
Jenny,
Enlist.
this
4 items.
is one of the voice name, on the person name. Okay, so let me give you a very quick sample of every voices. So I'm double tapping here.
Jenny, 1 of 4.
Hey
Jenny,
everyone.
1 of 4.
My name is Jenny, and I strongly believe that if we don't take control of our environment today, it'll take control of us in future. So everyone should take proper measures to protect our environment from destruction.
Jenny, 1 of
Okay,
4.
so next
Libby, 2 of 4.
Libby. Next
Sarah, 3 of 4.
Sarah. So let me play with Sarah.
Sarah,
Hello guys,
3 of 4.
I'm Sarah. My YouTube channel's name is Sarah's Vlog. Please subscribe my channel and keep your support for me. Love you all.
Hey, I
Sarah,
don't
3
know
of 4.
whether it's available or not, but
Guy, 4 of 4.
Guy, it's very interesting voice. It's a male voice, so listen carefully.
Guy,
Welcome
4
everyone.
of 4.
I'm Guy from ABC News. Today's hot topic is climate change inspires a mix of emotions in young people as they contemplate a future of rising temperatures and devastating storms. Let's have a brief discussion on this topic with our guest of honor, Mr. Joseph, a prominent writer and environmentalist.
Guy, 4 of 4.
Okay, so these are the 4 major voices. I think there are also voice available which you can able to download. I'm not exploring so much this application, so let me show you the other options.
More, out of list.
More.
Add music, enlist.
Add music. From here you can add music.
Mood.
Mood, you can choose mood.
Fine tune.
Fine tune, you can change tune, I mean you can edit everything. I will show you.
Listen, out of list.
So this is the listen button.
Save.
Save button.
Tips.
tips.
Activity cancel button.
Activity cancel, which is means
Selected.
Okay.
Voiceover tab.
So
1
there
of
are
3 and list
three tabs:
3 items.
voiceovers,
Projects tab. 2 of
projects,
3.
where you can find your created audiobooks.
My tab. 3 of 3.
My, here you also get your projects. Okay, so Metaverse is a server. When you create an audiobook, it will upload its server, and your audiobook may be visible to others also. I don't know, because I don't have so much time to explore this, but still I am getting so much excited to announce or to share this information with you. Okay, so let me explore.
Projects
Okay.
tab. Selected. Voiceover
Now
tab.
let me tell you
1 of
how
3.
to create audiobook. Okay, so here
Insert text here. Edit box. Out of list.
insert text here. So I am pasting a text.
No text. Insert text here. Edit box. Pasted. The difference between a
Yeah.
successful person and others is not a
So let me listen.
characters 164/6000.
Oh, sorry friends, character 164/6000, not 6000 words, 6000 characters. Okay, so next
4% slider.
4%,
0.1s. 10s. 0.1s.
0.1 is tens.
Insert pause 0.5s.
Insert pause. Insert pause means after one word, how much time your TTS should pause to audio.
Listen.
Listen. See, if I click and listen, then it will start reading with BGM. So let's listen.
Keyboard hidden. Syncing. 0%. Progress bar.
Syncing audio.
99%.
Yeah.
The difference
Optimizing
between a
sound.
successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Vince Lombardi. Good morning.
Okay, so as I have selected guy, I mean I have just selected last time I have selected guy, so it works with guy. I am swiping from left to right again.
Characters 100. Libby. Sarah. Sarah.
If
3
I
of
want
4.
to read with Sarah, so then I am clicking on Sarah.
Metaphor.
Hello
that-
guys, I'm Sarah. My
My
YouTube
tab.
channel's name
3
is Sarah's
tips.
Vlog.
Out of mood.
Please
and tips.
subscribe my channel and
List
keep your
add
support
music.
for me.
Listen.
Love you
Out of
all.
I'm
list.
clicking on listen.
Syncing. 0%.
The
Optimizing
difference between a
sound.
successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Vince Lombardi. Good morning.
Okay,
Listen.
so this is the way you can create audiobook. Now let me explore the other options.
Save. Tips. Save.
If you click on save button, it will save to your projects.
Listen.
Okay,
Fine tune. Mood. Fine tune.
let me explore the fine tune.
Fine tune. Speed. Speed. 50%.
So
Slider.
this is the speed of your audio file.
0. Tone. 50%. Slider.
Tone,
0. Voice volume.
voice volume, I think you can understand.
100%. Slider. 100. BGM volume.
BGM volume, I mean background music volume.
60%.
60%.
Slider. 60. BGM delay.
BGM delay. Okay, so you can explore it. It's very easy. Okay,
2 MBG delay add. Voice delay.
voice delay,
2S.
2
Text
seconds.
loop delay del. Button. Disabled.
loop delayed.
Text loop default. Button. Listen. Button.
So here is also listen button. I'm not exploring or I'm not showing anything more here
Add music.
because I don't want to expand this video long and long.
More. God. Sarah. God. More. Add music. Mood. Add music. Mood.
So I'm clicking on mood. Let me show you the
Select mood.
options in mood.
Universal. Default mood.
Universal,
and
this is the
list.
default mode. Friends, here rain comes, so you may get some noise, but still I am trying to record this video till the end. Okay,
Happy. Pleasant. Happy.
happy. So if you pay paste any text which is related to happy, so you can choose mood from here.
Angry, angry.
Angry, you can choose the mood.
Sad,
Sad.
Mood level, out of
Okay,
list.
so this is the mood level options.
50% slider.
Friends, you may have a problem because rain comes. There is here is heavy raining. So I'm requesting you, if you have any doubts, any queries, any problems, you can join us on Telegram channel, Telegram group. I will there and I will try to solve all of your queries. 50%.
Listen. Okay. Listen. Okay.
So
button.
this is okay button and
Listen
button for your preview. So I'm not showing you next
Meta
option.
voicer. Add music.
Add music. Here you can add your
Meta
music.
voicer. Shared.
Shared.
Local music.
Local music.
If statement. But cheerful and list.
Cheerful.
Quiet. Cozy.
This is the type of music.
Lyrical. Excited.
Lyrical, excited,
Nervous.
nervous,
Leisurely.
leisurely.
A quiet night.
Okay,
Bad.
so there are lots
Shared.
of music you
Duration
can
zero.
just download.
Lil
Like,
J dash calling my phone. Bad. Shared.
Yeah.
Duration 0114.
this is a music name, and its duration is 014. I mean 0 minutes and 14 seconds. So after that, play. You can play. You can just listen. I'm not playing.
Morning. Bad. Shared.
Okay.
Play.
If you double tap on the name of the music will be downloaded and attached with your current audio file. I mean the current text which you have entered in the text box. When you create audiobook, with that text, the music, the BGM will be added automatically. Okay, friends.
Meta voicer. Mood.
So let me explore
more.
in
Out
the
of
more
list.
button.
Loading. Meta voicer. Select. Unlabeled. Select voice.
Select voice.
English in.
English.
Recommend. Row 1. Emotion. Column
Emotion.
2. Male. Column 3.
Male.
Female. All. Column
All.
2. Sarah.
Okay.
English United States. Cheerful. Sarah. English United States.
Yeah.
Cheerful female voice.
Here-
Outro video.
Here you can create the male female voices. You can change the emotions of the voices, because friends, Sarah is a exciting voice or cheerful voice. It's better for your YouTube video. If you want to change, you can change it here, I think.
Guide. English United States. Heavy clam male voice. News reporter. 4 of
Heavy
27.
clam, it's a news reporter voice. So if you want to read any news, or if you want to convert any news to your audio file, you can use that.
Francisca, Portuguese Brazil, Voz Feminina Enviada. Reporter, 5 of 20. Apollo, Portuguese Portugal, Voz Masculina Suave.
Okay, there are
Apollo.
lots of Apollo.
Daniela, Portuguese
Daniel.
Portugal. Flora, Portuguese
Flora.
Portugal, Dos Voz Feminina. Maya, Portuguese Portugal, Dos
Okay,
Voz
these
Feminina
are the
Adolescente.
voices options,
Video
so you can
animado,
explore
9 of
yourself.
27. Maya, Portuguese Portugal, Dos Voz Feminina Adolescente. Video animado.
Okay, so these are the options in more options, because there are
Sarah.
lots of voices available. You can try yourself. Now let me save an
Projects,
audio.
tab, to listen, save. Name project.
So here
061.
I am just giving a name.
Delete. Window board. Showing English in. Copy left. Read from next item.
Just a minute.
Okay. Out of list. Editing. 061. Selected text. Delete. Window. E.
Demo.
D. E. M. O. O.
Then I am clicking on OK.
Okay. Audio synthesis success. Keyboard hidden. Uploading audio. Meta voicer.
So
The
uploading
difference
audio
between
means
a success. Done. Play. The difference. Play.
I am playing again. It's
The
not playing.
0. Download. Button.
Yeah.
Image loop. Button.
Loop.
If play. Button.
Play button.
Image loop.
Loop button. I'm not explaining. I think you can understand.
Download. Button.
Download button. Here you can download this audio as download this text as audio file in your mobile phone. So if I click on download button,
Meta. Download. Download MP3
download
audio.
MP3 audio,
Download MP4 video.
download MP4 video. You can also download the video format, and I have tried it, I have downloaded, and it's very exciting. It's very easy. I'm clicking on
Select
download
download
MP3.
type.
Download type.
Download to my phone.
Download to my phone.
More. Copy the link.
Copy the link.
VIP can download any number of times. Disabled. Cancel.
Cancel.
Select more.
More. So
Loading.
what are the options?
Metavoicer. Demo. Send item. Demo. Send and find device.
Yeah, you can share this file also.
Print.
So if I
Cast.
click on
Me share. Turn on. Nearby share. Sharing. Column 2. Web. Telegram. Let's Telegram.
if I click
Column
on Telegram,
4.
I can share also this file. Let me try
Connecting.
once.
Connecting 3 full stop.
I'm just-
Select. Save message.
Say
Share
share
it.
with save messages.
Save go music. Demo.mp3 by unknown artist. 11 sec.
Yes, the file is now converted in the MP3 file, and it has been sent to my saved messages of Telegram. Okay, so
Metavoicer. Download.
so this is how you can use the Metavoicer Pro application, and you can easily convert any text to any audiobook. So how this video helps you? I know this video is quite longer than others, but I'm helpless. I need to show every options to you. And friends, in the mid of the video there are rains sound. So if you have any doubts, any queries, I'm requesting again to join our official Telegram group, and I will definitely help you out there. So thank you friends, thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video till the end. See you soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.